Hey there! Let's generate your training course. Get started by entering your email address, the training topic, and the level of experience of your learners. Now choose the best option and click Next. Feel free to regenerate the options if you don't find any you like. All you have to do now is sit back and wait for the magic to happen. Finally, generate and export your sample training outline. Do you like what you see? Dive deeper into our AI toolbox. Visit ai.potential.com to check out more tools.